bread now. Why don't you want? Finish. Look at. Then we are not chop. One waste money. Eh? See how you're wasting food. Whatever bread doesn't nana. I no blame you. Okay, you wanted to pour for her, babe? You cannot finish small cup of tea. Eh? Small cup of tea, you cannot finish it. This I will be sharing. Ordinary small cup. If it's rice now, you will eat it, huh? Mama, finish your tea, oh. You don't finish it. So what about the bread? Won't you eat the bread? Why?
I don't want to eat it.
Oh, I don't blame you now.
So lovely people, welcome once again to our space. So I had to wake up by 4 a.m. to prepare these beans because I don't like making beans for kids over the night. So best thing was to wake up very early to make these beans. I woke up by 4 a.m. to prepare these beans. Yeah, because they already told me, "Oh, please make beans. Want to take beans to school?" I said, okay, let's see what I can do. Personally, I don't like them taking beans to school because of I wouldn't want it to change taste, but I thought of making it very early, and it came out well, sure. And I slept in mother deserve the best too. Mothers, they try. We try. Papas try too. Let me not dispute that. Our fathers are also doing well, but you see, my mama they try pass. Sometimes forget. Mama has to try. So how do you make your beans? Personally, I love it like this. Though I also sometimes I cook the two together. But my kids prefer it like this: porridge beans and fried plantain. That's how they prefer it. If you want them to eat plenty of it, so just make it like this. You come back with an empty plate. Yeah. See as I always distribute food. Oh, it's not easy. Yeah. And this is how we do it every day. Every day you have to do this. I see person they said mama cook. I'm in a restaurant. Guys, we are going distributing it. Let's cover and gun. Yes. Hey, mamas.
Mama, I fix my beans.
That's my kids gather me just
my spaghetti.
Especially this mama.
Mama, fix my spaghetti.
Look, can finish this food I put now.
Easy. Eh?
Easy now.
I need that.
I used to stop money.
It's to disturb money.
This is to stop money.
You can disturb money. Why now? Is it to disturb money?
Look at that. Can stop that?
Okay, you don't need to disturb that. But you used to disturb money. Is it good?
No, I used to stop anti-nurse.
Okay, you can disturb antinose. Antinose will give you injection. No? So we had to pack inside the 4 bags, pack in their lunch bags, get them ready for school, then we zoom off. Oh God.
Is he showing it? That's some shit.
So lovely. Thanks for watching. Love you. Mwah.